Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving. Today I'm doing a product review of Secura Belgian waffle maker. Let's start with the unboxing. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. This is a Secura 360 rotation Belgian waffle maker. Model KS308. It comes with an instruction manual with a recipe book. It has removable plates which make it so convenient to use and easy to clean as well. Gently press this and the plate will come off. These are locking pins. Just light the pan and press to fit. My family and I love waffles, especially Belgian waffles. Let's make some tasty Belgian waffles. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using unbleached organic coconut palm sugar, which is very healthy, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sieve the dry ingredients a couple of times. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Wash the waffle plates with soap and warm water before you first use them, and then make sure they are completely dry. Once you plug in the power cord, a red light will turn on. Wait till the light changes to green before using it. During the first use, you may notice some smoke, which is normal. Let it run for 10 to 15 minutes or till the smoke disappears. Okay, we also need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Separate the yolk from the white of the egg. Beat the egg white well. Add the yolk and butter along with the dry ingredients and mix it well. Add milk a little at a time and mix it well. Into that, add vanilla extract and continue mixing them. Now add the egg white and fold them slowly and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. The batter should not be too thick or too thin. Turn the power on and wait till the green light comes. Don't touch the top, which is very hot. Open the lid and spray on some oil, but you don't have to. Pour the batter. It will spread out. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Rotate it halfway through cooking. It looks so good. Perfect waffle. They are so crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. With maple syrup and butter, they can be beat for breakfast. Thanks for for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.